Hello everyone, I am Divya Garg. Today we are going to know about chapter 16, Air Around Us. As you all know that air is present all around us, so we are going to know about wind. Moving or blowing air is called wind. You all know that air is present all around us. Everywhere we can feel the air. Now we will talk about atmosphere. The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. So, what is composition of air? Air is made up of so many gases. It is a mixture of so many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. First of all, we will talk about nitrogen. It is present in air in 78%. And it is very important gas of air. Now we will talk about oxygen. It is most important gas for us and it is present 21% in air. Then comes carbon dioxide. It is present in 0.03% in air and it is very essential for us as it produces food for us. Then comes water vapor. The amount of water vapor can be variable from one place to another place. Some amount of dust and smoke are also present in air. We all know that air supports our life as it is having oxygen in it, and we use oxygen for the process of respiration. We get oxygen from the process photosynthesis and we use it in respiration. Then comes carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is most important gas in the process of photosynthesis through which we all get food. Then comes nitrogen. Nitrogen gas is present in air and it is important for the growth of all the living organism. So it is very important gas. Then comes balance of oxygen in nature. We all know that we need oxygen for respiration and for burning also. And we get oxygen by the process of photosynthesis, and in photosynthesis carbon dioxide gas is used so that we can balance oxygen and carbon dioxide in air. Now comes uses of air. Air is useful for us in respiration, in photosynthesis and in burning of fuel. Compressed air is used for inflating tires of bicycles also. And it is also used in the windmills. Then comes role of air in atmosphere. As you all know that it helps in maintaining proper temperature. It helps in weather change. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching.